The beauty and nature, both words are made for each other. Just feeling the same will enjoy our nature study, or in other words, the beauty of nature direct with color. Start with the background sky blue and water, followed by the green tone for a couple of trees, and then we'll apply reddish brownish tone for drawing a beautiful house. The brown color added with little black, it will give you coffee brown type of color, which will help you to give the dark tone of the house as well as the trunk of trees. The land surface area will use yellow, green and mixture of yellow green, and if required little bit blue also will add for creating depth. This way, keeping the light and shade in our mind, will apply light and shade in both trees and house. Suppose here light is coming from left hand side, so left hand side area will keep lighter shade and the right hand side will be the deeper shade. Ornamentation is the important part of our landscape or any painting. So keeping the same in mind, we'll decorate the subject of main painting likewise. Roof surfaces will try to develop up each trellis, and wall surface if required you can give the features of trees. Since the light is coming from left hand side, shadows of trees, houses and all other objects will appear in right hand side. Again, in ornamentation part, keeping the same light and shade in mind, we'll try to develop the textures in trees as well as the land surface area, and the most important, the finishing touches of the painting. This way you can finish a beautiful landscape.